Then friends, today we have the newspaper of 30th May 2025 and start with the first news, that is major setback for Trump as US court block tariff. The Court of International Trade says the IEPA does not confer unbounded authority on the US president. Court give the White House 10 days to halt tariffs. Trump administration appeal against the ruling. India hopes US will clear visa on merit. Kerala government declare Kochi shipyard as a state disaster. Apologies or will ban movies, Karnataka Film Chamber tell Hassan. Language row intensify as KFCC chairman says it's no longer about a film, Thug Life, but about an entire state. Tamil Nadu speaker back actors. Repeated attempts were made to merge BRSS with BJP. Kavita. Being targeted by troll but will pursue travel blogger Jyoti Rana case, say lawyer. SC set aside government moves to withdraw 43 criminal cases. Case included the 2022 Hubli riot. Worst kind of abuse of power. If there is a political considerations, it's withdrawal, say Karnataka High Court. PMKC founders Ramdosa Flay Anuvani say making him union minister was a mistake. ASI denies charges that it is not keen on publishing report on Kelai site. NS66 collapse. PAC directed CAG to do performance audited. SC bar transfers of TDRS in Bangalore place ground case. Allu Arjun Nivetha Thomas win big at Gadar Film Awards. Scientists discovered new way to detect hidden properties of exotic materials. No talk till Pakistan renounced terror. Advocate POK India. An Indian Pak engagement must be bilateral, say Ministry of External Affairs. India open to discuss Pakistan handling our noted terrorists, he added. Pupil of POKJ will voluntarily return to India, say Rajnath. Amit Shah in Jammu and Kashmir to review security arrangement for upcoming Amarnath Yatra. BSF 45 village guard initiative with arms training for Jammu border residents. Truck drivers abducted in Manipur. Protesters demand quick release. Air Chief Marshal flags delay in defense project. Invite private players to contribute. New rail line in MP will boost tourism freight movement. Now lit up in war of wars between Congress leaders and Tharoor. Thiruvananthapuram MP described his critics in the party as zealots and trolls. Pawan Khera quoted from his 2018 book The Paradoxical Prime Minister. Randeep Surjewala tried to claim nerves, saying matter should not become acrimonious. Centre planning a special session to mark anniversary of emergency, say Congress. Modi, Mamta space over right school recruitment scam. PM hold roadshow in Patna, meet BJP leaders ahead of assembly polls. Centre appointed 3 judges to Supreme Court, filed all 34 posts. Farmer plant paddy splashing in field of Boniar, Uri in month of Kashmir in north of Kashmir on Thursday. The Uri region is located on the bank of Jhelum river, which flow just by the field. First batch of women cadet graduate from NDA in Pune. Convocation ceremony mark history moment for women in Indian Armed Forces. Cadets Sri Daks secure first place in BA stream to win silver medal and Chief of Air Staff trophy. CDS to engage with international military leaders in Singapore. EC single point out dashboard likely to be operational before Bihar elections. Former civil servant group claim charges against academia. Online camp for teenagers to include positivity. Tobacco affordability fueling cancer's epidemic in India. Unlike the other countries where higher prices have deterred smoking, prices remain low in India. Tobacco affordability undermines the World Health Organization Empower framework and weaken control, hindering efforts to reduce tobacco-related cancers. Implementing robust policy are needed of the hour of curb tobacco use. Scientists behind SCANT, how skin microbes can influence effect of perfume on humans. The case for a special physical package for Andhra Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh mothers. State and finance. It is the finance commissions to come up with an unpolitical and formula-based solution so far that the state have lost physical capacity are not abandoned, rewriting the script of early childhood education. Strategic investment in early childhood education and engaged parents will help young leaders. Dangers in sea. India's response to maritime disaster must be faster and better. Slow and unsteady. Ethnic violence has abated, but peace continue to elude Manipur. Is there a 3-year practice mandate for judicial services? Welcome. Had the process been more democratic with a public consultations mechanism in place, the stakeholder could have pointed out that the numerous practical challenges associated with implementing such a measure. The movie marketing mania. Filmmakers have always gone all out to promote their film in person, but in the age of social media, these efforts can get tiresome. Autonomous warfare in Operation Sindoor. In the recent Indo-Pak war, over 4 days of hostile, but both sides effectively rewrote their rule of engagement, ushering in a new normal of airborne deterrence without pilot, but with the autonomous platform, armed drone, and loitering munitions. The city of Chennai, vanishing role in Tamil cinema. Since the 60s and 70s, Tamil filmmakers have found fascinating ways to celebrating Chennai on Salute. However, in the last 5 years, filmmakers have largely refrained from using the city as a storytelling instrument. SEBI to collaborate with probe agencies to safeguard investors. Regulator working on a specific UPI systems in which investor money will go only to registered bank account, prevent fraud. Chairperson. Government gauging impact of US court verdict on Trump tariff. Private sector must be striking a balance between labor and AI. I own Amul Recap Plus sign MOU to promote organic farming. Two-wheeler maker Ola quarterly loss widen as sales dip. Almost all in 15 to 19 age group able to undertake UPI transactions. India firms shift focus to local market on tariff. More firm turning to private credit amid volatility case by tariff now. Syndicate loan market slow due to volatility over tariffs. Private credit player offer flexibility loan term versus bank. Luxury firms choose private credit for loan. Large Wall Street lenders have also set aside billions of dollars for directing lending and have been participating in some of the deals. Record US clean power run rolls on through May. Cobalt holding 230 million IPO gamble bank on production cut. US will begin revoking the visa of Chinese students, say Marco Rubio. US judge keep Harvard foreign student ban on hold. Israeli attack killed 14 in Gaza Strip, say civil defense agency. Ngugi wa Thiong'o, famed Kenya's novelist and dissident, died age 87. Must to exit US government role after rare break with President Trump. Daily protests bring life in Dhaka to a standstill as political crisis deepen. The South Asian nations has faced turmoil since the former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina ousting in August 2024. The unrest sparked growing public concern. BNP rallies intensify with no election date set, while protests by tax workers and civil servants forced the government to reconsider the controversial reform. Harvard to relinquish 175-year-old photo of enslaved pupils. Long-shuttered US ambassador's residence in Damascus reopened. Still less in Serbia, dozens of Russia and Belarus left in legal limbo. Hazelwood Suez Salt lead RCB march into finals. Jyoti Sable and women 4x400 quarter make it golden day for India. Birthday boy Dukesh beat Nakurma, get champions back on track. The rise of young Indian cricketers. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.